So I mean, my face, the color might not be great, but my eyes look okay. Maybe I can pull it off. Hi guys, it is Gabrielle Ishell here, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be trying out some cheap makeup products and using them all together instead of my more expensive and more luxury brand makeup beauty products, if you will. So for instance, I got these LA Color eyeshadows for just 57 cents, and I have other really cheap or drugstore products that I'm going to be using, and I do have them sprinkled throughout my collection. I do use them time to time, but I've never used them all together at once without adding my MAC or Fenty Beauty in there. So this will be a very first for that. And I know we're all at home. Sometimes I'm bored. I know I'm here all by myself, so I can get bored. So I wanted to do something fun and different, and I hope you guys enjoy. I forgot to put primer on my face. I have this Hard Candy Sheer Envy. I got this from Walmart a little while ago. So it says ultra light formula prolongs makeup wear, even skin tone. So putting this, it's like a clear color. Oh, it's really smooth. I like that. And I usually put this on before I do my eyebrows, but obviously I forgot. So I'm just gonna be careful when I go near my eyebrows. And then I'll get my neck and my chin, because you're supposed to bring your makeup down to your neck so that it blends in. And especially because I have this type of shirt on and shows everything, I might need to go down a little bit further. First off, I don't think this is the right color for me. It looks a little dull compared to my skin, so, but this is the only one I have, only cheap product I have. So we'll see what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna wet my Real Techniques sponge, and then just go in behind, under my eyebrows. Okay, eyebrows. They're already fleeky. Okay, then I'm gonna go with the fawn color, and still the LA Girl concealer. I'm gonna go over my eyebrow. And then I usually use this one for my normal day-to-day makeup, the e.l.f. eyeliner brush, but I use it for the top of my eyebrows because it's flat. Oh, I just messed that up. Trying to be fast with it and just messed up my eyebrow. Oh, shoot, where'd it go? Oh my God. It's gone. There's nothing in there. Ah! There's no way. Yo. Then I'll go in on my eyelids, and since I don't have a primer, I'm going to use this. It's an e.l.f. creamy eyeshadow, and I'm going to use it as a primer. So I'll just use my fingers. Ooh, this e.l.f. Big Eyeshadow Palette has really pretty colors. I like the purples. Purple's my favorite color, by the way. So I'm going to go in, I think I'm going to use this purple here from the L'Oreal LA Nude 2 palette. And I'm going to, I'll use the brush that they gave, but I'll do this purple. And I'll go on the outer lid. Ooh, it's deep. like plum color. Ah, I like that. I like that. Can you see it? I'm going to use my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to kind of pull the color out like onto my lid. I'm trying to blend it, but without making it lose its color, because I notice as I blend on the other side, the color starting to fade a little bit. So blending lightly. I'm going to use this purple to try to go over it just a little bit. All right, so for the gold, I'm going to use the LA Colors palette, and I don't know if this has a name. Classy. It's called Classy. And this one, other one is called Sassy. Classy and Sassy. That's me. But I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I guess I can do, you can really do any of these colors. I like this shade of the gold. So really just mixing it on top of what we already have there, which is that really bright gold. I'm gonna do the foundation next, and I'm gonna use this Black Radiance. And it's called Mocha Honey, and I know for a fact that it's not gonna match my skin. No. So look, that is definitely not my color, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I have a yellow undertone, so I'm a yellow bone, as they say. I have yellow and red, so I could be a yellow bone or a red bone. But this doesn't look like it has any like color under the tone, underneath or whatever. I don't know how to say that. So I think the sponge, I usually use the MAC stippling brush to apply it first, and then the Beauty Blender brush to blend it out. But I definitely think this blender is like soaking up a lot of the product. So I'm gonna have to use more. And this time I'll put it directly on my face, because I always feel like putting it on your hand is so useless, because that's like wasted product that is just gonna be sitting on your hand now. I don't like how this smells. Maybe I should apply in smaller sections, because this dries kind of fast. And it takes a while to blend, especially if it's not your color. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but I can tell it's not my shade. It looks like my face looks like a clay color. Like, that color brown. It's like perfect to describe clay. I don't like it, but I finished blending down, and I blended all the way down to like my neckline. I think it looks okay. I know it's not my shade, so yeah, this is how it looks right now. I'm going to try to do concealer here. So I have bags. Okay. I don't think it did anything for my face. Maybe I didn't do it right. That's how the girls do in the videos. All right, so we have our foundation on. I don't have a colored powder, like a brown powder for my face. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. high definition powder, and it's white. So I know they talk about how sometimes putting on this white powder, especially like when you go like out to a dark restaurant or whatever, when you want to take pictures, the white like shows up on your face and it looks like you have powder on. So Actually, I'm going to use my powder brush. Oh. You know, I don't even need to set this because I'm not going nowhere. Well, whatever. Okay, next we'll go in with the NYX. It's kind of coming off, so I do use this one. It is a liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go along the lid, just very small line. I think the eye area can make or break a look. So I mean, my face, the color might not be great, but my eyes look okay. Maybe I can pull it off. Since I can't find my other brush blush, I'm going to do my blush first. So I can use this for my bronzer second, and I'm going to try this CoverGirl blush. It is darker than what I'm used to, so I'm just gonna do a little bit. Oh, that was a lot. Tap that excess out because I don't want it to be too dark. And I smile and then put it wherever the apple. And then I blend up a little bit. All right, and now we can go with a little bit of this e.l.f. Baked Blush. It has like a little shimmer to it because the blush I usually use does have a shimmer on it as well. I remember using these like a long time ago, and the color, it really wasn't pigmented. So I'm literally just using it to see if I can get some shimmer, which I don't think I'm getting. Maybe a little bit. All right, and then I'll go in with the same brush. We're gonna use the e.l.f. bronzer, and I'm gonna use a top color. Oh, I messed up my hair. All right, and then I really don't want to mess up my hair, so I'm just gonna lightly. Okay, and then what else? We have, highlighter. This is from the same brand. Oh, this is too. These are all from the same brand. This is the primer that I use. This is it's called Strobing Glow Face and Body Cream Illuminator. And this is the Glow All the Way. Is infused with 24 karat gold Glamazon bronze. So I'm gonna I like this one. My cousin actually introduced me to this. Just a little bit, because this is very, I'll put it like right here. And then on my nose. And then like on my chin as well. So now I'm gonna go in behind with this Wet n Wild. It's called Boozy Brunch. It is a shimmer palette. And I'll use my e.l.f. brush. It's really pretty. And just go over the Glow All the Way. I got this cheap mascara from TJ Maxx. It was like $1 for 3 of them. I've never heard of this brand, Simple Pleasures. But, so right now is when I would usually do the setting spray, because I always do it before I do my eyelashes, so that the black from the mascara doesn't get on my makeup. This is a Revlon eyelash curler. And I have really long eyelashes, so I don't usually put fake eyelashes on. Okay, so I think I look kind of cute. So I'm gonna go with my lips now, and this is probably my favorite lip color. It's by Black Radiance, and it's in the color Panther, and I love this color. It's like a really deep plum color, and purple is my favorite color, like I've been saying. So I usually go, and I found one by NYX that kind of looks the same, and this is called Dahlia. But I still prefer my Black Panther. Not Black Panther. It's Black Radiance called Panther. Sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, I use my lip and eye pencils for the other one. So I switch them up. I have these ones, I got them from the beauty supply store. The brand is Jordana, I think. Color Eggplant. It is an eyeliner, but I use it for my lips. Outline, and then I just go in and color it in. But fine, when you use lip liner on your entire lip, it helps the color stay. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my Panther, and it already looks like a look. So this is the final look, and I think it's actually cute. I know it does not match. Don't go on me, guys. I know it doesn't match, but I think it still does look a little cute. I could blend in the highlight a little bit more, but this is the look. I'm actually back because I was taking my thumbnail picture and the lipstick didn't pop. I know this looks good for like if you're going out at nighttime, but I'm gonna take it off and go for a red. I do have a liner. It's like more of a burgundy color, so I'll do some of that. And I'm using the e.l.f. It's called Red Carpet e.l.f. lipstick, and it's really a bright red. I like this one better. Well, not better because Panther is my color, but I do like this one. So this is now the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me kind of make a fool of myself, because I know it looks kind of crazy, my foundation at least. Everything else is popping. Look at my eyebrows, they on fleek, lipstick, all that, eyeshadow. Yeah, okay. I'm rambling. Video's already long enough. So I hope you guys enjoyed me doing this little thing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you've used any of these products. Yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.